Good evening, rail fans of the Cajon Pass. We got a nice greeting there. Hope everybody's doing great and had a wonderful day. In the process of moving right now, so didn't get out earlier today, but Buddy and I snuck out right now, and we still got about 2 hours of daylight, and we're gonna make the best of it. We're cruising down Route 66 here and saw this one coming our way, so we pulled on over. Beautiful out here right now. We're gonna get out real early tomorrow morning, so we should have some whole bunch of action-packed videos coming your way next few days. Make up for a little lost time. Beautiful intermodal international containers. Verdemont. I used to play a lot of golf, and every golf course I was on that had a tee box or area close to a street, the people would always honk and scream for when they went by when you're golfing. But I notice when I'm rail fanning, nobody does that. Nobody honks and screams. I wonder why. What's the difference? Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. Alright, we're going to catch a few more for sure. Hope you like what you see. That's main track number 3, westbound. We're about milepost 60, excuse me. Yeah, about milepost 74 right here. Give or take. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We had super thanks now and super chat, so we really appreciate all the people throwing us bones. Really adds up. All right, we got another one coming shortly, I'm sure. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.